So there's this Dodge in the middle of the quarry. The module went bad. We got here the new module. So that was the bad module here. Replaced it with the new one from the dealership, the version one. Now we'll install it, we'll program it, and we'll program a new key. When you hear this, I'm done. That's one. That's two. Let's see, two. We need two. Number of key, two. Beautiful. Well done. Let's put it back together. It's nice working in a quarry. The only downside is I don't have my tools. This is why you guys see me doing this crap instead of using an 8 socket. There we go. That's one.
Man, that's the one, buddy. Hell
That's
yeah.
two.
Sweet.